my god, I feel so bad. We basically detailed the car last night, and by last night I mean like 4 hours ago, around 12 o'clock. It's around 4:30. I'm not too sure. Point is, it's the middle of the night, and I feel kind of bad starting up the car. But we're going to a meet. It's sunrise on some beach. I'll put the poster here if I can find it. But first experience meeting up with Jeezy Clicks, the homeboys. Let's get this cold start. I feel so bad. I'm sorry, everyone. Oh, it's not that loud. I guess it's still kind of warm from last night, but oh lord, I feel like a dick. But we're gonna go meet up with, well, we gotta go get some fuel first, and then we're gonna go meet up with the boys, and then we will take off from there. Oh, all right, y'all, we made it with the group. We about to head out, heading to Ocean Beach. They were saying last year that shit was hella full. Damn, shop. So last year they were saying it was hella full, and they got there about an hour early. All right. We need to calm down. God damn. Okay. Okay. So we're about to head out. I'm gonna record. I'm also gonna be taking photos. Again, if you guys want to check out the photos, I've made a photography Instagram right here. Please go follow it. Really appreciate it. Go ahead and like, sub as well. Follow me on my other Instagram right here. Thank you guys very much. We will see you guys over at the meet. Okay, fuck, we made it. I'm just gonna give it a little bit, and then show you guys around. But that's the boys. Well, we came back. Ooh, jeez, it's like so many fucking potholes here. But nice build. Nice so far. Minus a few. Here we got more light. Supras. I think I got some pics in them. Not too sure. I think I've seen like a yellow one. Oh. Got Frozone. Over there we got a motorcycle. Goes on there. I think I've seen that type car. Not too sure. Shit. But
look at that truck coming in.
Okay, like doing the photos and fucking trying to record content is hard as shit. But Jesus Christ. I'm trying to get photos because the sun coming up. It's cloudy as fuck though. I think I've seen this dude by my work. I'm not too sure. Tree Fitty. Popping his hood. And we're just gonna check what's down here. Then we'll hook back up. Check what's over there. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the one-time zoom because there are people flying by. I'm not even gonna look at that guy. What the fuck? Anyways, Honestly, dude, this thing's cooler than what the whatever that was.
Where is the? Bro, he has the exact same one as mine fits me.
Oh shit, Pagani is leaving. Ooh, there's the one.
Y en eso nos hace mierda, un hijo de puta aquí.
That's a good bird. Thing sounds hella muffled. Oh, here comes the wide body. I think that one set was blurry. Bro, I don't know what it is with me or whatnot, but I literally keep forgetting to record outros. But, just real quick, that meet was fun. Pretty far in SF. It was good. There was a lot of quality builds there. Some not so good, whatnot. But you guys know me. I like quality. If you guys like the video, like, comment, sub. Again, with the YouTube thing. I know I said I'll be coming out with videos, like, every 2 weeks. But honestly, like, I don't really care about it. It's just a hobby right now. So whatever I record, and whatever I post, I post. But if you guys do like it, I do kind of want to do this full time just to entertain you guys and whatnot. But right now I'm in college and everything. If you guys like it, like it. If you don't dislike it, tell me why. Really appreciate it if you guys stay till the end. Thank you.